Alrighty guys, this is Madman Trucker. It's Wednesday the 28th and I know it's a bit dark. I've just put the light out and I don't know if you guys can see just beyond that street light. We've got a little fireworks display going. Sounds like somebody's being bloomin' shot. Oh, ain't that pretty? Probably gonna be a crap video, but just thought I would share it with you guys because it's typical Belfast. It's gone quiet. It's never a good thing. There we go, they're starting up again. Way over there in the distance, every time a firework goes off, you can just see the sky lighting up. Wee, see what I mean? What's that way over there? Oh, there's more. Ah. You wouldn't have no it's whoa! You wouldn't have no it's coming up to Halloween. It made me jump. Check that out. Somebody's either going or coming back from holiday. Jammy sods. Right over the top of my head. But anyway guys, just thought I'd share that with you. Have a good one, whatever you are doing. Me, I'm dressing up. Don't know what as yet though, but I'm dressing up for Halloween. So, maybe get back to you guys with a video of me dressed up for Halloween. But, for now, take it easy, have a good one, and be safe. Cheers.